In order for you to change, you have to change. This means picking different thoughts every day, deciding to act differently, making different decisions, taking a look at your habits of what you do, and being somebody different. Now, I love Dr. Joe Dispenza, and he does so much work on this and so much evidence on this. And I also am a huge proponent of things that he recommends, like meditation. Meditation gets us out of our body, out of our habits, out of our mind, out of this thinking into that quantum field of like energy, of wave, of who we are outside of this vessel and these habits and these programs. We get back to our divinity and our sovereignty, and we clear that shit. It's one of the biggest ways that you can actually start to change your habits and become somebody else is literally just to start meditating. It's creating one habit and doing one thing to allow you to get into that space where you can be somebody new. And then it comes down to giving yourself permission to be this person every single day. Now, people around you are going to be like, well, that's not you, Sally. Like, what are you trying to do? Be somebody new? That makes me uncomfortable. This is the whole point. To do those things and to not worry about triggering other people, because when you change, it makes people reflect on themselves about them changing, and they don't want to change maybe. So they're going to be uncomfortable and make you feel like shit of what you're trying to change. Well, you don't have to do that. You're just perfect the way that you are, which you are perfect the way you are. But if you want to create a different life or do things differently, you have to be able to do this. So freaking meditate. Sit down, control your body, and fight the urge to get up and fight the urge to say, this is dumb, this is stupid, I don't want to do this. And take 20 minutes to yourself to just slow your roll. I promise you, it will make a huge difference and you'll notice. This is when we remember how we are more energy and how we are vibrational beings having this human experience. When we touch back into our vibration and our energy and our wave of who we actually are instead of just this body.